Good morning. Today we're going to go to Owl Creek Park Loop in Brentwood, Tennessee. It says here it's 0.7, but I know that it's more like 2.5 or over 2 miles because it can be extended, which I've been here about a year ago. I did the same thing, so it's something I know, which is good, so it's familiar to me. So let me show you. See if I can show you a preview while we're doing that. Temperature's really good. Looks like it's about 72 degrees. It's sunny, a little bit of a breeze, and basically a really nice trail. So this is the loop, but I can tell you that when you come out here where the road is, it goes beyond this, and then you pick it up right here. So that's going to be the extra part that I do. So, and this is the lake, which you'll see. And then you kind of go across the street, and then it does this little loop around. So there's more to this ride than what All Trails says. So that's what you end up doing. This little loop thing's not even, I don't think it's even a mile. So anyway, and I keep saying I want to come back to some of these places and ride in the neighborhood. So we'll see how that goes. That would be interesting to do, I think, just to ride around in the neighborhoods. Maybe I'll do that on my next bike ride. But at any rate, let me get the bike out. Let's get going. We're going to go into Owl Creek Park Loop, and I'll see you here in a second. Okay, so looks like we did 2.2 miles, in about 21 minutes or so. Let me look at the preview here. So 2.3 miles, it's pretty easy actually. Let me see if I can do a preview. Let's do a recap on it. So this is where I went. Let's see. It's about 77 degrees. Feels hotter than that, but yeah, it's not bad weather. It's sunny, so it was an enjoyable ride. Not a whole lot of people, other than that kid that wasn't paying attention that luckily I didn't run over. But kids will be kids, right? So overall, though, I've been here before about a year ago, and I really like this ride. This would be something, if I lived here closer to here, I'd probably come here a lot because it's just a very easy ride and it's a good amount of miles, so I like it. But anyway, I'll get this posted, and hope to have another ride next week, or if the weather cools off, I may do some more hikes, but it's still a little hot. Fall's not really falling as far as I'm concerned, but at any rate, hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next bike ride or hike.